Okay, we've set up our activity. We've created our template. We've attached our mini lesson. Now it's time for us to write some instructions for our students. Up here are where you can put text instructions. You can just type them up. It's a text box you can type in any way. But there is a cool little feature in which you can add some of the actual icons, the pictures of those, into your directions. It requires you to put the two little dots, the colon, plus a certain term, and then another colon to produce one of these symbols. So for example, if I'm typing out my instructions, I first know that in the activity, I want them to click Add Response. So if I want that actual symbol to show up for them, I could put click, colon, go to the shortcut and say to get that, I need to put the word add. There we go. On the first slide, move the animal images into the correct spot on the food chain. There we go. Number 3, on slides 2 and 3, use, and now I didn't care what they use, so they could use a video, so I put those colons, separate them by a comma. They could use drawing, so I put the word drawing in between those colons. They could use text, which is the label tool. Or they could use the microphone tool. So on slides 2 and 3, you can use, and actually I don't think they can use video inside that, so I'm going to delete that. You can use drawing, label, or the microphone to demonstrate your understanding. Okay. Click. I want them to click the check mark when they're done, so that term is check. When you are finished. All right, I have my directions. Now these shortcut icons are not required, but they're kind of a nice little feature. So when I save my activity, you can see that in the directions now, where I put those colons with that term, they get the actual symbols that they can click on. Kind of a nice, nifty little feature.